No matter where you find yourself on your hero's journey, we're here to empower you so you can take control of your legal issues. My name is Lily McRoberts. I'm a lawyer, but I'm also a person who knows what it means to struggle and to feel powerless in the face of injustice. I am so tired of watching good people being taken advantage of because they just don't know that there are a lot of resources available to them. That's why McRoberts Law is proud to introduce Just Ask Lily the Lawyer. Today on Just Ask Lily the Lawyer, I'm going to show you Minnesota's self-help page for changing your name. All right, so let me share my screen with you and let's get started. I am going to start out by going to my favorite search engine. In my case, I've learned in life to pick my battles, and so I'll be just using Google. Now I'm going to do a search for Minnesota self-help. And then you'll see Minnesota Courts Self-Help Center. I'll also have a link for this in my website, so you can also just do a search for Lily the Lawyer, and then you'll be able to see a link to the Self-Help Center. Click on Help Topics homepage. Now scroll down to the end. Today we're dealing with name changes. Now this is the Minnesota Judicial Branch page for changing your name. It has several different sections. It is important to read every single word on here. Also, I have to take a moment to give some legal disclaimers at this point. First of all, we don't have an attorney-client relationship just by virtue of me showing this website to you. I can't guarantee you that this is what you need to do in order to do a name change because I don't know your circumstances and you haven't given me any confidential information. It's in your best interest to speak with an attorney to make sure that your name change is done correctly and to make sure that all of your unique legal considerations are accounted for. All that being said, this is what Minnesota has made available to its citizens in order to get name changes. It has an overview page. Again, go ahead and read everything. This just kind of gives you an overview of the process. Frequently asked questions, definitely read every single section here before you proceed. It has forms. This is where you go to get the packet. But again, don't just go through here. Make sure that you read everything. And there's a section on what to do after a name change. This is really nice because it's a checklist. There's a lot of things that you have to take care of in order to properly get all your documentation, and it gives you sources for all of those plans. This tab deals with rules and laws, and the last section is tools and resources. I really hope that you found that walkthrough helpful and that you feel empowered after watching that video to take control of your legal journey. Please seek out the guidance of an attorney if you run into any problems, and remember, it is always in your best interest to speak to an attorney about any legal issue that you're facing. If you would like guidance on name changes, or if there are any legal issues that have been burning a hole in your brain, you can reach out to me and schedule a remote limited representation meeting. At the meeting, I will listen to your legal issue. I'll give you my opinion on whether or not I think that you have a case. I will direct you to any self-help forms or other resources that you might be able to use. I'll give you a walkthrough of the resources that are available in Minnesota and give you a guidance on the legal process within Minnesota for your given case. I hope that you're feeling empowered to take control of your hero's journey. And until next time, thank you for continuing to earn your place on your pillow each night. Goodbye.